Swadhyay Kids Arts. Hello everyone. Welcome to my Swadhyay Kids Arts channel. Today we will draw and color Mummy Pig and Daddy Pig. Let's start drawing. I draw her nose and the shape of her head. Then her eyes. Now I draw her mouth. I draw her ears. I draw her body. I draw her hands. And finally, two legs. I draw her tail. Complete my drawing. Let's start coloring. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. See you into the next video. Bye bye.